For all my ladies in the world, you know what, I love you, girl. Especially when you say, hey, hey. She said she like when I put it in so. She said she like when I take it so. I thought we had to have all, you know that's already. Yeah. For all my ladies in the world, you know what, I love you, girl. Hey. She said she like when I put it in so. Said she like how me take it slow. Said she love how me now go low, but straight love making, that's all she know. Said she like when I put it in so. Said she like how me take it slow. Said she love how me now go low, but straight love making that. Hey listen, a Rasta man know what she want. She don't want no party, she want the Rasta put the fire. She don't want it up here, she want the Means, me a young youth, I like talk to youth. You say me a day come, I find say elders like Frank find it a joy if you can talk to youth like we, if you know say you're firm and we're strong. So you see when youth firm and strong, youth will come heights other youths to be firm and strong to generation. You see me a day, a cappella me a drop this my band, so you don't have to worry. What is it you want? If I can sit down punk corner, if you get some education in your brain. What is it you want? If I can own a big house, big car, or if you lock up the lane. What is it you want? If I can bleach out your face, or if you don't like the ones who did enslave you. What is it you want? Hey, what is it you want? Say long time me a talk, some never want listen. See they know my friend end up in a prison. John no say them this if you tell the truth, I miss you. But one of them not that show when me so see you, hey. So let me tell you what's the real ghetto story. How the youths are rise to prominence and get glory. I we go a prison killer dozen man before me. Blessed love and greetings to the Celestia.
Well done, Rasta Chai. Portmore artist. 2013 you'll be getting a lot of them. Guaranteed. From tonight, inside a Luton Fyah, outside of Portmore, we present to you is real,
Blessed love and good night, Luton Fyah. This is the kind of pick here. And as him said, happy birthday again. More than that, say it down, I'm going to start it lively. Lively, give me something. As I said, that's a child can represent. I will name it fit for start with a prayer. Alright then, wake up this morning, we say I to me neighbor. Say shot it down for you last night if you're not free. Under the bed, him did a cry to be savior. I pray for the cold man, them change them years. Them say them heart get dark and I fear that they want the whole alphabet, the ears and the ears. And we live in some perilous days. We wonder if earth have a change. We have to need a private day to run the devil away. Do you hear what I say? Yeah, a private day to run the devil away. Where the world can't play, yeah, you're right. Keep the tempo, don't shake it up. And remember this, Babylon no love no truth and right. Them not no big gods for the human life. All when you come here, be bright like sunlight. They want to be me make it dark like a night. And you die for man no love no truth and right. Not no big gods like for you need the right. And if you think that you want to excel the mic, I'm going to tell you what it is like. And give the book to you, them a face injustice. Yes, it's not to get eliminated. Equal rights and justice. Israel advocate for the class and creed, potential and race. But woman need to know yourself and know your space. No woman have argument, God for the warriors. She should have done for self, no poor on the base. You see what the one that's a bad place. She knows listen. Live is the one to the start. It's not the good, a live clean up. The people that we have to say now, please come to the know what I want. How many of these are the come to pick up? Push out, it's in the record this. Everybody be a smile, happy with some. Poor people face and from their country. Poor people face sell on Princess Street. Poor people be sell on Garden Street. Roma East Mid Street and all East Mid Street. Poor people be sell on Bedford Street. Poor people be sell on Princess Street. Poor people be... Alright, because of this, don't be like that. You're not somebody street. I'm sure I'm going to Orange Street. Your head is up on the street, Orange Street. This is it, I talk like from the industry. I'm the people get on the good and good with it. You're not getting on it, I'm just going to do it. Just go do it, and I'm not going to do it. I'm the type of history. Take it up and turn it, we're fine with it. Take it up on the head of the country. All you want to do, just do it. Yeah, but John!
What Israel?
John, we no family, my woman in my yard, a big problem, she She's stuck on the internet. She come in some late hours. She don't have enough food. Little boy Pampers hang all the way down here saying no man that's a boy. So if you know my position, we don't really tell us. Back up your things and boy up there. I wanna read your partner. Hold on, let's start the show. When I get ready to go and beat us. And then if you come in and get stepfather, you get the 100 man. How are you there? 100 man is a 100 man a feature. You understand what I'm saying? Some one woman and some one later. Remember that salvation. Infidelity is a stepfather there. You have a child. Come on, you tell them. Back up the things and boy I'm girl. With your fucked up world, they are saying never makes a true. I know they love you up one river. All of the things I'm gone over. They can't bother with your angry word. They now saying never nice like first. Yes, it is nice like time. It was better than a girl when she can't find. No longer, she no want the Rasta man chant. I tell me say she can't take me chestnut. Short skirt on, that's how she want wear the one. It looks like she took on Facebook and tap. She not feed me, you not change him one pass. We find out say she and another man did our standards. Me think that you scandal, not for good. And say, back up your things and boy and girl.
Greetings in our joy, we say give thanks, you know, we just perform a Jungle Fire. You know the thing, we give thanks to the opportunity for the upon Links TV, and Links TV was here to see it. So we give thanks to Selassie blessings, you know. Every time you come around me, I get weak. And it feels so good to be watching Links TVs in the street. Whenever you say you have to leave, girls, I can't sleep. And I've slowly realized Links TV's made your life complete. Blessed love, you know, Selassie. Pick!
Yeah, man, you don't know how you sell the cotton pick and we're there. You see it. Links TV, we are representers really out. And as you see it, from music we can't retire so long as they are Jungle Fire. So that's good music. You don't know, Israel just do him thing, Rasta Jah do him thing. Little Kirk is there. If you know, say every week we have a guest performer. Pack up your things and go, young girl. Can't bother with your pop down girl. We not say it never nice at first. All Link said this nice at first. For you hear the pick, you know my lyrical dexterity nasty coming to take last week. Pick.
They don't say Israel a while ago perform, you know, and a Jah, you know. Right now, we are checking Little Kirk over there, Jungle Fire and Portmore. It's all about every Friday night, live bands inside Jungle Fire. Only Links TV are going to exclusive. So watch this. We are taking Little Kirk performance now. We so come back, turn up, loud.
Long time we don't say we don't it. We don't stop. We never do a 9-to-5 job yet, so we always working Europe side and Jamaica side. But you see, if we just blaze it. So if you love the Almighty God, let me hear you say, yeah! No demon can't conquer the Almighty. Ready for them, yeah? Blaze it. So, my life here, get to rain it on. So many things inside, so many eyes out. You know the foundation, you see? it. Light it up for it. See when lights out. The blessing of the Most High. Every time that we light up, every time that we light up. See, big up Turbulance. The monster, your seat will never stop playing. Happy birthday, yeah? Skullman Foundation, Black and White, speak up yourself, yo. So, crazy, rise up. Children will love Jesus Christ. But don't you boast and agree with that man, then don't if you don't look at, just sing along. So righteous, yes. Wicked general, big up yourself, you. It's like this. Should I have faith in you? Should I put my trust in you? And should you let me down? And should I let you rest? And why should I think this way? Thinking that you're going away. There's no place to stay. Together and all. Oh, why should I? Feel when soul has sound. Foundations come and do myself guilty. We don't play with it here. We can tell about Frank. Stay safe. So we rise, so we rise, so we rise, so we rise up. There's something you them sing. It's like it's. We like this is for the youths live incarceration. Got to live right, no kill no more man. Don't rape no woman and sing no bad songs.
You gotta keep on moving and Link Stevie. You get to one more chance to make it right, and now one more chance. Link Stevie, say check it.
Tell all viewers them on Link TV, what you think about this Friday night band stings in a Jungle Fyah, Portmore, right behind Ken's right now, the hottest thing. What you think about this Friday thing here?
The hottest thing, man, authentic music, live music I come back, you see it.
Right now people, let me tell you this, imagine live bands. We don't get that nowhere else. Jungle Fyah. Every Friday band, so they might bring back the flavor there. The nicest there. So you also respect the Jungle Fyah. Cause people remember jerk chicken and pork and beer things and food and beer things there at Jungle Fyah. Is it mad? So come. Let me tell you this. When I pass through the crowd and look, how am I say? Skull man! What going on?
Original, see it. Black hair, you don't know a Scottish mentality. A beer fatality will drop to the fire called the jungle. Jungle Fyah, you don't know.
No, I love to saw the star them there on Friday night at Jungle Fyah inside of Portmore behind Ken's Wildflower. The hottest thing, Jungle Fyah have whole heap of jerk thing and food and everything. So, may I ask a question, what do you think about this? Bands, live bands on a Friday?
Really and truly, you know, it's a Jungle Fyah, it's like a training grounds for all the original artists them. You get a live band, me say, a Scottish mentality, a beer fatality, you see it.
Alright, and you don't know, a music we say. So guess what? We'll go back in there now, because we have a performance left. A Jungle Fyah with there. Dollar Sign are a drop a thing. Skullman are a drop a thing. And guess what? Black Rock a drop a thing. Watch we soon come. Boom!
And just know them all I feel the girl them were young. Me want to hold it up with the bubble gum. When you open my sugar and me whole body numb. Girl, when you in a bed and lie down, you make me get blood and come. Now some special guest there. favorite song is playing. Can you please just turn it up? Hey, got my money, here to party. Drink is in my cup. Me step up clean, and me clothes them match. I make them a breathe, diamond in my watch. Girls are breathe, me them a watch. That's how we do it when we step in the street. Because me step out clean, and me clothes them match. I stop breathe. When you want, and I get listen. Me say get fun up some boy cannot get take wet. See when me party crazy can me get them. Me clean from the cat straight down to when me crack them. Me give them up get me, them money and a bet me. On me BlackBerry phone that cannot text me. She tell me say she wanna be my first lady. How much she love me and she wanna have my baby. And me say me make the girl not get crazy. Show me clean and me close me. And she wanna go see like money on me. No. If you don't mind watching TV, if you have your BlackBerry, take out your BlackBerry. Cause some girl are hype on them a black cherry. If you see a man buy a girl a curve, you know say she a tickle in nerve. And you see a man buy a girl stamp, you know say FYAH body it a go on. And if you see him buy a the big boat, you know say she a get feel vote. And if you see him buy a the big touch, he might go marry her next year, man. If you want to know your baby, you have to buy her that baby. Don't buy her the one call box. This next year you wanna go chat. Don't buy her the one that have the flashlight. I know you're not still a fight. Don't buy her the one with the peanut. Hey, she have to find out so you broke. Yes, special guest me here. But first thing, them you would set that straight. Them man about the devil. First started. Go over now, Beax, man. You know it's all across. Blacker, Lynx TV, and a Jungle Fyah. So we're up on a fire. Yo, why some boy walk on bad mind this? Why them no walk on I like this? Things where them up in a cross line like this. No one but casting, no one that is a give me a minute. Why the bad mind to a tree? When the girl them just want the most. When I let you be a man, I let go of this phone. I let you be a room. Take your hero. Put the man in the ear. Find time to let her go. Hold up, we just now a Lynx TV. 2 months break, me give my 2 months break. 2 months break, me give my 1 job. After me get a New York in the United States, me get a phone call from me Gretchen for race. Beanie and Shibada, fights with pace. Assassin boring, can't keep up to the pace. Bounty down ya big girl with hammer at them face. My mother down ya, but him last in a space. Do what them make one mistake. Should I never met the teacher come through the gate? It can't be they know him would have
Bums, where they don't know, say a sign. Alongside other friends, I don't know. Lynx TV, don't know Jungle Fyah over there. And the thing turn up. May I tell you, say, yo, we just don't perform. And I be a vibes, I don't know things set up.
And other friends, I may say, yo, Jungle Fyah, every last Friday. Every last Friday. So you can look back for me again the next last Friday, isn't it? I look for my video, pass and gone for Lynx TV. Don't say I read.
See it? Remember, heal me every day, that thing there, I see it, Lynx TV, and I don't know what thing said. Bums!
You see enough of them? Them can't take me talk. You want the some boy. Some boy dirty. Them dirty too. Jingle down in the jingle. When let me tell you about me, roll the eyes, get the flower, break the out, the kitchen, no deal, with no wing, no girl, back when the body breaking. Young girl, does a man in the beach, with the let me tell you something. Right town man, them a killer, splash out, boy, no rock up, pillar, you still for them, still for pillar. You know how long you're not coming? I'm going to ramp with. Jump in the CD. People buy the man that will love woman. Any boy when I love woman leave out here. All of the man that will love woman put up on her. No. Hey, shine it. Pull up like that. Watch out 18. Shine the light. Tell the man that is silent and now put up woman. People the man that will
love woman every time.
We're not clear. Don't sit low. Ladies are correct now. Listen this. If you have a gangster and your gangster take care of you, don't disrespect him. But any boy we are this, you whatever you do. Ladies, when you see back apart, when Marcus say, hey, I'm on water tonight. Sing. Hey. Every woman in there, I bet girl in there, lick your name. So what you say, my name? Spice is here, pull up. Pull up. Come Spice. Come Spice will pull up down in here. No, I'm not going to tell you.
The donkey, I say me a fan of my child. You want to give the girl them some fun already them first and then the remix it. What is that? Them never know for tip on them toe, but look for some now more with a bag of kids. What are ready? If you don't need me run at the back, me and you was cheating. My man gonna work and him not come back. If you know what your man don't, it don't matter. What the bad man them there? Pull your body up a shot for 12 in your brain, 13 and your back parasite in your brain like a jumping trap. Come on and half yaks, how is the man? You know it's other press. You're the bad man them from Bricktown there. Say that. Yo, if you don't show us that you're the ball, help you put on your underpants, like I'm stop and go up so. And some more come on and touch you like I'm a bad man. And I make man and feel them up. Say if you know, I feel a break down. Someone lock up in a house, burn them out of that. Lock up in a car, wood up, burn them out of that. We're ready to sing up and man, burn them out of that. You have it on the way, they must have those out of that. Someone lock up in a house, burn them out of that. Lock up in a car, wood up, burn them out of that. We're ready to sing up and man, burn them out of that. Watch it now, no? Man a gangster. When we knock the chat out of that, some peace, tell them tough. We do about that, cool in the pen. Yo, what a them a match, man, a real old guys. To the room, this is moving like Karen. We have to check a girl with carry wagga wagga pot. When we lock up in our house, that's not about that. We make you sleep all night in the under the corner. Lock up in our house, put the water up. Let's play. Pull up how they're bringing a youth and back down to. Where they don't know, say a sign representing to the press from me and say, yo, real gangster, them soon on up here like saying, I don't know. The girl is the money in our place, run the same thing. Alright then, money me still a make it. Them guys guns is this to let it pan a boy me still a wetting. Why did them take it if you don't receive a betting? So tell a cool check me sign them got the place already. When them cross up it, the champion of up it, the chance of me top it. So let a pass to watch it, style the bomb got it. If you don't chop it, say power me walk it. Pop it up and flop it up from style. Each and every day, money girls and girls have to shoot them away yo. As how we do.
They can be artists, you know the thing, like, you see me? You know what I'm doing the work, so big up yourself. You know the day I run enough for doing the work.
Well, you don't know somebody are correct on right now, you don't know go Links TV. I guess I woman there beside her. No, I see me a mistake thing and the place I talk about the donkey. Well, go on my friend, what's up?
Black are your bad, me there.
Yo, yeah, hear me, you don't know, sir. Yeah, my friend, you don't know people. I say, boy, I'm my sister, so you don't know me, a man, but I'm not busy with that. But I love what you do, you go sting, you do your thing, that great, and you name what you name. So right now, I know you look forward for better things for 2030, because I don't know you have to turn up your thing right now, because you name what you name.
Yeah, I just start me on some good music for 2030, because you don't know me, I leave 2012 behind. And there's some good music, I say, I just test some of there. Yeah, straight.
Well, you don't know, you know. So, I love that. So, Spicy, so guess what? We're there at Cracktown, the biggest thing. So, we are going to watch it. Spice in the building.
Hey, man, what them here about? Wait.
Mad. I don't see it. No, your song up on the countdown and I go hard, you know. How you dealing?
I've been around the world and I've seen so many girls and a prosperous new year. God, man a man.
more health, more strength. You don't know. Keep it grounded. Alizé representing 2013 and beyond. Coming strong. Link TV. Check it out on Flow. This is how it go. Alizé live in Craigtown. You know the thing go. Digo, Umbla, Sissu, we are in
What's up, baby? Enjoying yourself?
Yeah, the party shot.
So, what you say for 2013? What's your view on this coming 2013? What you want special for 2013 for you?
Well, I wouldn't mind the next grind, more party. I mean, we are here to enjoy ourselves, one life to live, so live it.
Love that. Looking good. So you don't know Link Steve every time.
Okay, Barry G, signing out.
Yeah, man, right now. Me see you there, enjoy yourself. Right in a Craigtown. So what you say for 2013?
Yeah, man, it's a good look. I know a crew that same way. One link. Craigtown is a good look. Link Stevie, it's a good look. Michael the boss, you know. Manager, WAF, airport. Yeah, man, the thing turn up. You hear that? Stand 5 girls, them thing turn up loud. Yeah, we know apart. Them nice, them sexy, them look good. Blacker, like you say Rambo, see that? English. Video man, English. What on there? English. You hear that? Thing turn up. That's not Nino.
Bad, we're still there at Craigtown. The party turn up loud. So come back, more views.
Man, I swear to God, I love you for that shit. Why you had to get me? Was I no time with it? You was
right now, I'm there with a pretty girl. Right in a Craigtown, cause the girl done turn up by Link TV. She did at the party. The party I go hard. What's up, baby?
Not much, that's why I'm big up for the party. The party shot straight. Big up Lady and Judy and Crystal straight. Stand 5 girls, them all the way, yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, you're shot. So, what you say for 2013? What you wish for 2013 for you?
Right now, I can't even talk a whole evening, I swear.
Alright, you're looking good, baby. Yes, daddy. Mad.
I'm the world's greatest. And I'm that little bit of hope. When my back's against the walls, I can feel it. I'm the world's greatest.
Right there, proud of yourself. If you ever don't say 2013, I call you proud to be alive. Think of yourself for the song, yeah.
I get wings to fly.
Parch, look over Parch, you know.
I'm alive.
Here we go. Give me guys, I'm gonna say come for enjoy yourself. You look good now, your wife. Party, yeah. See your shoes down, bud. You walk up and down, make a song. Walk up and down.
To be able to no borrow, no lend, no give. Because with nice skin clothes, no girl no give, no girl no borrow. Any girl want to take my man, them free to go with him. And a girl can't take my man from me, a girl have to take my man. I want this one girl. Because me, them say alright, I'm going to lily white. Because I'm a tree baby, because I'm set it all through them. Clean! My white and bad color, clean. Because them boy are clean, and because I'm not skin son man bed, and because I'm not skin mother. I was the bad.
Set it off, bravo, butter. Hey, bravo, butter. Everyone was gonna say that. Early Shelly, the girl I love it. Murder, watch out.
Yeah, Links TV, big up my friend Poochie, you see we? With their correct tone and all white, big up my all white, lily white, and a bad color white, and a wash out white, and a bleach out white, and lily white. Big up all white, big up everybody who come all white, big up Poochie, big up yourself.
I hate that one.
I hate that, big up